Welcome back. So with last week's debate between Trump and Biden making all the headlines, I want to share with you some key market reactions, performance of some asset classes. At the end of the video, I'll share with you two ideas that could benefit from all this. So if you watched the debate last week, you probably know that things didn't go well for Biden. Trump's poll numbers have shot up, increasing his chances for winning the election in November. Now, if Trump gets back in for a second term, we could see several changes in policies. I think his key changes would be increased oil and gas drilling, lower taxes, lower regulations, increased tariffs on imports, America First policies, and tougher stance on immigration. With that, let's take a look at what the market thinks of Trump. The chart here shows the performance of some asset classes since the debate. The S&P 500, which is a benchmark for the stock market, is up 5% since the debate, reflecting investors' optimism towards a potential second term for Trump. The US dollar was down 1%, while gold and the US Treasury yield were up 1.6% and oil was up 3%. I believe all these changes can be justified by one factor, which is that the market anticipates inflationary pressures from Trump's policies, possibly driven by lower taxes and increased tariffs. Inflation is good for gold, but not for the US dollar. Yields have been rising because the market anticipates rates to increase with inflation. Keep in mind that rates had increased during Trump's first term as well. Another asset class is Bitcoin, which is down 6% since the debate. That is an indication that the market believes that Trump's policies might not favor cryptos, a view we share. With that, let me share two ideas or sectors that we believe should benefit from Trump's re-election. Number one, increased oil and gas activity means more businesses for oil field services companies. One of our favorite stocks in the sector is Enterprise Group. Shares are trading on the TSX. This company provides rental equipment to oil and gas drilling companies, majors such as Suncor and Chevron. Yep. In Q1, revenue of this company was up 23%, EBITDA was up 48% year over year. We anticipate record revenue and earnings from this company in this year. Second idea is domestic production of strategic metals. We feel that Trump's policies should favor miners and explorers of strategic metals to reduce reliance on imports, especially from China. In the case of lithium-ion batteries, China accounts for 70% of imports. In batteries, key inputs are lithium, graphite, nickel, and cobalt. We feel explorers and miners of these metals in North America should benefit from Trump's re-election. In my last video, I talked about lithium, why we are bullish on the sector. We also mentioned names of companies with projects in North America. So do check out that video if you're interested in seeking more ideas in that sector. That's what I have for you today. If you like what we do, please support us, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with you next week with more ideas.